So students, today we are going to discuss a numerical based on Pascal's law, and we have discussed in our previous lecture that Pascal's law defined as a law in which when your fluid is at rest, the intensity of pressure which is acting at fluid in any point will be equal in all directions. And applications of Pascal's law are hydraulic press, hydraulic ram, hydraulic lift, dams, lock gates, etc. Okay, so these are the areas in which the Pascal's law find its application. So here you can see a hydraulic press is shown, a plunger is provided and a ram is provided. Okay, a plunger of 4.5 centimeter diameter is provided while a ram of 30 centimeter diameter is provided. And we need to find the weight that will be lifted up by this ram when the force applied at the plunger side is 500 Newton. Okay, so the force which is applied over here is 500 Newton. Diameter of plunger is 4.5 centimeter. Diameter of ram is 30 centimeter. And here we need to find the weight that will be lifted up by this ram. So this is an entire arrangement of hydraulic press. So now, according to Pascal's law, or we can say by applying Pascal's law on both the sides, pressure intensity at ram will be equal to pressure intensity at ram, so at plunger. Okay, so the pressure intensity at plunger will be equals to the pressure intensity at ram. Now we have also seen in our previous lecture that pressure intensity is given by force upon area. So applying this equation over here, pressure intensity at ram will be force by area. Here the weight that we need to be lifted up in terms of Newton is to be determined. So instead of F, I am writing W. A at ram is equals to pressure intensity at plunger. So the force applied at plunger divided by area of plunger. Okay, so this is unknown. This could be known as we have the diameter of ram. So pi by 4 into 0.30 whole square is equals to force at plunger is 500 Newton. So here I will write 500 and pi by 4, and the diameter of plunger is 4.5 centimeter, which is 0.045 square. And when we will solve this, we will get the weight equals to 22.222 kilonewton. I have already solved it before explaining you, so you can cross check this value by calculating yourself, and you can calculate the weight which will be lifted up by this ram when a force of 500 Newton is applied at plunger side. So I hope you are clear with a numerical which is based on Pascal's law. Thank you.